Kuya, di ba? Okay.
Be careful.
Salamat.
And this way, we will bend our head,
What?
our body.
Okay.
Careful. Mayong buntag na ako'y bisita, matanaw din rin yun. Careful. And watch our head.
Oh, wow. Oh. This is where they pray.
Yeah.
Or,
Preparing for the shaman people here. This
So
one,
where's the passage? Over there?
this one is their first table.
that's the first table he was saying. So there's a second table
Second
that.
table is this way. And
That way.
It's hard to go in there.
Oh, wow.
That's beautiful, man.
And you know, if you have a chicken offering to the spirit, you will use this area.
Oh, okay.
And then, wala masa po sa inyong,
Oh.
Offer up there.
yeah.
It was-
Maybe
I wanna go see
they have a shaman came here because they have offering. What's our head, ma'am?
Oh, there's like coins and stuff, food,
Yeah.
drink.
This one, this kind of liquor is their
Kulafu.
So
Kulafu.
they drink it and leave this much and give it.
Yeah. They will live here, this area, and they will also breed
Oh, wow.
like that. So that you can. And some tourists will remain at Queen's here. So if they will back to the country, the spirit will accompany.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Careful, ma'am.
Thank you. Huh.
That's all the booze that they give it over there. This would be a place also, if it's raining,
Yeah.
shelter.
And then, this way. What's our head? Please.
Oh, what's that? Oh, that's another route
Another rock.
coming down.
Ayong buntag.
Aray ko.
What's our head? Careful. This one. Crazy. This one is a rock.
Hey, Chan, another one.
It's not there.
Oh, it's just-
That way is going to second table. They have a pig offering over there.
Over there.
It's hard.
Why would they go over there, Kuya?
Huh?
Why would